2025 Forest River Wolf Pup 17JW. So this was a trailer we sold originally. Customer was not using it, and their life kind of changed. So we ended up buying it from them. So you get a very very used trailer. So this is in obviously great shape, and you should be able to save some decent money versus a new 25 or new 26. All right, so the Wolf Pup, a lot of great features if you've been researching them. But this is your main storage area. They don't do a true pass-through because your water heater's on the other side. They want you to have access for winterization purposes. You have the nice reflective door. This does come with a fridge on the outside, grab handle. Wolf Pup, their thing is always just giving you more and more value, more and more features for the price. You have a nice off-road tire with the black wheels. Looks like they added mud dauber screens to keep bugs out of your furnace. Outside speakers, that is a TV mount as well. So if you wanted to put a TV out here, you would just put a bracket on the back of the TV, and that can go on there and off of there, inside and outside. All right, tie up your dog or your pets or any gear you don't want stolen. Really nice feature. So you have the reflective door. This is your bunks on the inside. What's great about this is that you can flip up this top bunk. So if you want to bring something big, if you had a bicycle or you had huge totes or whatever you might have, you can strap this top bunk or this bunk to the side, and you have extra storage. Another nice upgrade here. The previous owner looks like they bought the I can't remember the name, of course, but the ladder for this. So this will mount on the back wall, and then you can get on your roof for maintenance. All right, spare tire, another nice upgrade. A lot of these don't come with spare tires. Looks like this does have the backup camera as well. So between the ladder, the backup camera, looks like there's max air covers. I mean, so that's easily $1,000 in upgrades that the previous owner did. Your power hookups over here, your gray and black tank dumps are here, and you would have 4 stabilizer jacks and a black tank flush. Nice thing for clearing out the black tank and avoiding smells and sludge and buildup and all that nasty stuff. Speaking of water, you have an outside shower. You also have the upgrade to the tankless water heater, and then your water connections, your actual tank, your fresh tank, and then your continuous water, your city water hookup are both on this side. Wolf Pup does a cable slide out, which is the oldest slide out system. Can be adjusted if need be, and there is a manual override, but a reliable slide out system. 20-pound tank on the front. Looks like the battery is already on here. You do have the quick jack that will speed up leveling the camper. All right, on the inside, customer, for not using it much, they did put in a couple cool little things. So you have the little paper towel holder on this side. Looks like you have the extra, not sure if this came with it or not, but you get the extra blanket here, full bedspread and pillows, overhead storage. There's windows on each side of the bed. You have a slide out on this model, so it really opens up. A lot of square footage in here. This dinette makes a huge bed, so you can definitely get 2 people around there if you need to. There is also these huge pull-out drawers that extend quite a ways. So a lot of nice storage. Full-size air conditioner. Here's your kitchen. There is a paper towel holder that customer added as well. Here's your controls for your slide out and your awning and your lights. Here's your radio. There is a voltage meter, so this unit would have solar, and then it has a battery meter, so it tells you where your battery is if you need to get charged up or not. All right, you have 2 bunks, so you can sleep 4, 2 at the dinette, 2 in bed, so max of 8 people. And the nice thing, they put a window in this top bunk and a ladder, so you don't have to hoist the kids up. You can actually let them climb up. It looks like they have a little some sort of holder that they installed. All right, here's your 12-volt fridge. And then in your bathroom, decent sized shower. A lot of room around the toilet, and I'll have to look it up. It looks like this is an upgraded toilet, but I'd have to confirm that. All right, and then they do a sink in the bathroom, which a lot of similar floor plans do not. And there is a shower surround as well, which a lot of similar brands will not. So, yeah, and then a towel holder was added. So all in all, this is again a pre-owned 2025, but it has a lot of upgrades already done. Extend to stay ladder, I'm not sure that's what it's called, but extend a ladder, I believe. And then backup camera, max air covers, and a lot of just little holders and knickknacks that you might install anyways. So a good opportunity to save some money. 2025 Wolf Pup 17JW at Collier RV. Thank you.